Zari is babysitting her neighbor, Junior. They are at the library.
What are you doing, Junior?
I'm writing a letter.
Who are you writing to?
Well, it's for a girl. I like her a lot.
Ooh, is it a love letter? Is it for a girl in your class?
No, she's a teenager.
A teenager? Like me?
Yes, she's my neighbor.
Wait a minute. She's a teenager and she's your neighbor?
Yes.
And is she very smart?
Yes.
Aw, Junior, you love me? Sorry, but you're too young.
No, I don't love you. I love your best friend, Lily. Can you give her my letter?
Sorry. But. Neighbor.